कांत राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sai Maharaj, Srila Guru Ganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. Actually, today I want to speak about Raghunath Das Goswami's Dando Mahotsav. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chastisement to him, and Raghunath Das Goswami, he gave the donation to the devotees, and that is called Krida Mahotsav. That means Raghunath Das Goswami, he fed to all the devotees, and what is called that rice, milk, yogurt, sugar, and also and other things also. And so this is called Dando Mahotsav Lila. But before discuss about Raghunath Das Goswami's the Dando Mahotsav Lila, little bit I discuss about his life history. The life history of Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami in Krishna Lila is called Rati Manjari, and Gaur Ganadesh Deepika very clearly is called Rati Manjari, and very nearest and dearest of Srimati Radhika. Actual Manjaris means those who are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That means Srimati Radhika, three types of Sakhis. One is called Sakhi, a Krishna Bhakta Sakhi, and another is called Radha Bhakta Sakhi, and another is called Ubhay Nishta Bhakta Sakhis. It means those Sakhis are Nishtha, steadiness, inclined towards Krishna. They are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. And like Brinda, Bindarika, Dhanistha, they are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi. Or Ubhayanistha means those who are love and affection, and they are they also inclined towards Radha and Krishna both. Then they are called Ubhay Pakshanistha. Okay, that is called Lalita, Visakha, and 8 prominent Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. They are called also Ubhay Nistha Sakhis. Or another Radha Nistha Sakhis, I mean those who are completely and inclined towards Srimati Radhika. Their Sanskrit word, their life and soul completely one pointed with Srimati Radhika. They are called Radhanishta Sakhis. Actually, they are called the Manjaris. Because Srimati Radhika's again 5 types of Sakhis. There is Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, eh, Prashta Sakhi, and Prana Prashta Sakhi. So these are the 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhis, actually they are called the Manjaris. Because they have Bhaval plus Roti. That means all kinds of activity of Srimati Radhikas automatically manifested in their hearts. For this regard, they are called also Manjaris. Then, and they are also is called also Tattat Bhavicha Atmika Bhakti. Then, Tattat means what kinds of Srimati Radhika's sentiments manifested in his heart, and same thing and also manifested in the heart of these Manjari Sakhis. And and for this regard, they know the heart of Srimati Radhika, and they absolutely then fulfill all the desires of Krishna, Srimati Radhika, these things. And even Krishna touch the body of Srimati Radhika, and that things also automatically reflected in the heart of the Manjaris. And so now coming in this way, so Raghunath Das Goswami in Krishna Lila, Radha Krishna Lila, that is called Roti Manjari. And what in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaur Lila, that is called Raghunath Das Goswami. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave all his treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami Pad. Then Rupa Goswami Pad also gave all his treasure of heart to Jiva Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. Hmm? So for this regard, we are also explaining Rup Raghunath Pade Vai Vyakuti Kabe Ham Pujavase Jugal Prete. Rup Raghunath Pade Rohu Maharas Prarthana Kare Sada Narottama Das. Narottam Das Thakur sang this song. Our only aim and object, how to completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. This is our only desire. So here's Narottam Das Thakur explain. Rup Raghunath Pade Rahe Mor As Prarthana Kare Sada Narottama Das. And because Raghunath Das Goswami is called the Rupanuga Vaishnav. Rupanuga Vaishnava means one who following the footsteps of Rupa Goswami Pada Rupa Manjari. That is called Rupa Anuga Rupanuga. One is called Raganuga, another is called Rupanuga. And everybody can be Raganuga, but very, very rare you get the Rupanuga. What did he say? That means those who are performing bhajan and sadhan under guidance of Rupa Goswami, they are called Rupanuga. But in Rupanuga inside also Raganuga. But all Raganugas, they are not Rupanuga. That means all Rupanugas, they are called Raganuga. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he showing his life history to us, how an ordinary sadhak develop his bhajan and sadhan and attain to highest perfection of goal. What is our highest perfection of goal? Radha Dasam. And Gurudev always mention our aim and object how to attain Radha Dasa. Asasya Dasa Visabhanu Jaya. Asha means only one hope how to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. So saying Asasya Dasang Visabhanu Jaya. So what Raghunath, Raghunath Das Goswami um, he completely surrendered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was born in Bengal and there in district of Hooghly. His father name was Hibarna Govardhan Majumdar. They were Jamindar. Jamindar means landlord. They have lot of land. Yeah. So he got his father uncle got this designation Upadhi Majumdar. Yeah. Majumdar in Bengal that is called those were landlord. Yeah. And vast of property and wealth and money in this way. So for this regard Bengal are called landlord. Raghunath Das Goswami from his childhood and he completely was and renounced from enjoying the material sense gratification. And so and he learned all Shastra and everything and learning scholar very quickly. He developed and all the Vaishnava philosophy. Especially he was very expert in Srimad Bhagavatam, Gita, and other scriptures. And, and especially he, when he was very small boy, he got the association of Namacharya Das Thakur. Okay? He got association of Namacharya Das Thakur. Sadhu Sangha. Okay? Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastri Koi, Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. So sometimes Haridas Thakur used to come in their house and discuss Harikatha. And especially Haridas Thakur then always chanted 3 lakhs holy names and 300,000 and holy names every day he chanted. And for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami has so much taste coming to chanting holy names from his childhood. Because this is called Mahat Sangam, and the good association with Sadhu Sangha. And how you will develop your bhajan and sadhan only with the association of pure sadhu sangha. Then Mahat Sango Prabhavo, the influence of the association of pure devotee of Lord. Mahat Sango Prabhavo. This thing. Without association sadhu, any method, you cannot develop your bhajan and sadhan. মহতের কৃপা বিনা কোনো কর্মভক্তি নয়, কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি দূরের হু সংসার नहीं খায়. Whatever we'll discuss Krishna bhakti, and if you will not detach from the material sense gratification, if you not get the association of pure devotee of Lord. So sadhu sangha, nam sankirtan. Sadhu sangha, nam sankirtan, ei matra chai, sangsar jinite ar kono vastu nai. So in this verse also explain if you conquer the Maya and simultaneously develop your bhajan and sadhan, you must always associate with sadhu sangha. Okay? So Raghunath Das Goswami, he got association of Mahabhagavat Namacharya Haridas Thakur. And with the association sadhu, then automatically realization will come what is temporary and what is the permanent. And that Sanskrit word nitya, anitya, bodho jnana. Understand? Nitya, anitya, bodho jnana. Automatically knowledge will come what is temporary and what is the eternal and transcendental. What is the anitya? Anitya means temporary. In this material world, whatever we're looking, everything is what? Temporary. And by impartialities, they are saying everything is what? And false, mithya. And, but Vaishnava philosophy is saying this is not false. This is called also temporary. And temporary this one. Even our body also temporary and changeable. Is it true? In this material world, everything is temporary and changeable. Eh? Understand? One day you become very fat, then after a few years you become very skinny. Then after a few years you become very fat, then you become again skinny. This is the nature of this material world. Coming this way. Unlimited time, this is going on this way. So why I'm saying, because this is called the association sadhu. And with the association sadhu, then this conception will come and about temporary and permanent. And what is the permanent? That is called Atma and Bhagavan. And there is eternal and transcendental. And Lord is the supreme. Is the supreme personality of God itself, Bhagavan. And our jivas, that is called the part and parcel of Lord. Mami Vangsa Jivo Luke, Jivo Bhuto Sanatana. And Srimad Bhagavad Gita gives this statement. All the living entities, they are my part and parcel. And eternal and transcendent. Eko Suddha Sang Jyoti Nirguna Gunana Asho. And Lord is one, but Jivatma, soul, innumerable and unlimited. Ananta Jiva. Ananta, understand? Innumerable. And so Eko Suddha Sang Jyoti. And Lord is called, that is called pure. Pure means Lord is never contaminated with Maya. But Jivas, Bodha also contaminated with Maya. Because Maya, Trigunatmika Maya, three activities of Maya, Sattva, Raja, and Tamaguna. A Lord is beyond of Maya. Pri Nirguna Saksat, Purusa Prakriti Paraha. So I am saying here, Raghunath Das Goswami, when he got the association of Haridas Thakur, then he realized these things. Then it's automatically spontaneous, and he has renunciation, detachment from the material sense gratification. And and he also took Diksha and Harinam from Jodhanandan Acharya. And Raghunath Das Goswami's Guru's name, Jodhanandan Acharya. Understand this? Understand this? This is very important also. And for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami, he also glorified about his Guru Jodhanandan. Namo Seshtang Manupi, Namo Seshtang Manupi, and Radha Kunna Grivaro Moho Radhika Madhavasang Prapta Jassa Patita Kripaya Sri Guru Tang Natosmin. Nama system, he told, by the causeless mercy of my Guru Jadunandan Acharya, I got Harinam, which that is called pure Harinam, Suddha Harinam. Nama system, Sister Nam. What is Sister Nam? What is the great name? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then that is called Jugal Nam, conjugal names. Nama system. Manumopi means mantra. What mantra did he get? Gopal mantra, Gayatri mantra. This mantra he got from Nama system Manumopi. Sachiputra Sarupam. And he also got the association of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with the son of Sachimata. So using this Nama system Manupi Sachiputra Sarupam and Sarup Damodar Rairamananda and Radha Kunda. And he also associated with Rupa Goswami Pada and Sanatana Goswami Pada. So the Nama system Manupi Sachiputra Sarupam Rupam Tasagru Urupuring Mathuring Goshtavatim. And Radha Kunda Girivaro Moho. And he also got association of Giriraj Govardhan. This is very important. So Namastamanu Sachiputra Sarupam Rupam Tasaguri Urupuring Mathuring Goshtavatim Radha Kundam Girivaramu Radhika Madhavasa and Prapta Jasa Padita Kripaya Se Gurutang Natuvasa. So I pay my obeisances, lotus feet of my Gurudev, Jadanandan Acharya. These things. So Jadanandan Acharya and has so much attachment with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. Sometimes he also heard the glories of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And for this regard, Raghunath Das Goswami, he was very eager to meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then when he heard the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, and then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in Santipur in the house of Advaita Acharya. Then Raghunath Goswami, he left his house and met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And very humble, he also asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, I want to go with you Jagannath Puri. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised his mother Sachidevi, he would stay in Jagannath Puri. So for this Raghunath Das Goswami, he also asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I will stay Jagannath Puri with you. And I have no taste so in my household life. And then Mahaprabhu told, very nice, peaceful teaching. Sri Raya Gare Jao Naho Batul, Krame Krame Pai Loke Bhava Sindhukul. Markod Vairagya Nakar Loge Dekhaiya, Jatha Jugga Visay Bhunja Anasakta Hoyam. অন্তর নিষ্ঠা কর বাহ্যে লোক ব্যবহার অচিরাতে কৃষ্ণ তোমায় করিবেন উদ্ধার. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Raghunath, first fix your mind. This is the teaching for every single of brahmachari. First you fix your mind. You what will do? You do bhajan and sadhan in your household life, or you will take brahmachari life. What do you want? So here also explain this way. So Mahaprabhu told, Sri hiya ghare jao naho batu. Batul means don't become mad. First you fix your mind. स्थिर हुआ घरे जाओ नहा बतुल क्रमे क्रमे पाए लोगे भव सिंधु कुल. By the perfect bhajan and sadhan and step by step develop your bhajan, then you attain your perfection goal. This is the process. মনকড় বৈরাগ্য করো না দেখো লোক দেখাইয়া যথাযোগ্য বিষয় ভুঞ্জ অনাসক্ত হইয়া. Don't become false renunciation as like monkey. That is called Markot Vairagya. Markot means monkey. What do you call? Makaru. हाँ, देख लो मरकड़ वैराग्य ना देख लेगा यहाँ যথাযোগ্য বিষয় ভুঞ্জ অনাসক্ত হয়া. অন্তরে নিষ্ঠা করো বাহ্য লোক ব্যবহার. But fix your mind. If you not fix your mind, the mind will be very unstable. Going here and there, and restless mind cannot bhajan and sadhana. Mind should be fixed. That is called Buddha Vikalpa. You know, Anishtita bhajan. 6 stages of Anishtita bhajan. First is called Utsamui, so much enthusiastic coming, and Param bhajan and sadhana, Utsamui bhajan. Then Ghana Taralo, Ghana and Tarlata. That is called sometimes thick and thin. Ghana Tarla. Then Buddha Vikalpa. Buddha Vikalpa means in decision stage. What to do and how to do. That means I do bhajan and sadhan and with my families, or I will take renunciation. Sometimes this way. That is called Buddha Vikalpa. Then Niyamakshama. Maintain all the rules and regulation of sadhan bhajan. That is called Niyama Akshama. Or fifth, that is called Visay Sanghara. Visay Sanghara means struggling to enjoy the material sense gratification. Sometimes you're thinking, from today I will not enjoy any kind of material sense gratification. But sometimes he cannot to control his mind. So in this then 6 days, that is called Taranga Rangini, dancing on the waves of ocean of the waves of name, fame, and reputation. So for this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to him, Antara nishta karo bhajya log vyavahar, achirate Krishna tumai koriben uddhar. Vrindavan dekhi jabe asiva nila chale, tabi tumi amapas আসিও কোনো চলে সে চল সে কালী কৃষ্ণ পুরাবি তোমারে কৃষ্ণ যারে তারে করে তারে কে রাখিতে পারে কৃষ্ণ কৃপা যারে তারে কে রাখিতে পারে এ তো করি মহাপ্রভু তারে বিদায় দিলা ঘরে আসি মহাপ্রভু শিক্ষা চরিলা. মহাপ্রভু told when you receive the mercy of Krishna, then automatically all your sansar bandhan, the bondage of your sansar will destroy. Then you can come in Nilachal and stay with me. May Mahaprabhu clearly explain this way. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, again and again he is thinking, how I will free from my household life. Again and again he ran away from his house and proceeded to Jagannath Puri, but his parents caught him and returned back. So much security guards with him. These things, what to do now? And also arranged his marriage ceremony with very nice, beautiful young girl. Understand this? Here also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. Indra samo Ishwarya Stri samo শ্রী অস্পরাসম সব বাঁধিতে নারিলে চার মন দড়ির বন্ধনে তারে রাখিবাকে মনে জন্মদাতা পিতা নারে প্রারব্ধ খণ্ডাইতে চৈতন্য চন্দ্রের কৃপা হইয়াছে ইহারে চৈতন্য প্রভুর বাতুলকে রাখিতে পারে। And in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, he married very nice, beautiful young girl, as like Apsara. Apsara, understand? What is that? Themselves. Yeah, very beautiful and attractive. Eh? Understand? Those who are staying in Sargaloka. Eh? Understand? Very nice, beautiful young girl. Eh? Chandramukhi. First Chandramukhi coming. Chandramukhi, understand? What is Chandramukhi? Her face is as like very nice, bright and delightful rays, full of rays of the moon. Huh? Chandramukhi. Then after a few days, then what happened? Surajmukhi. Surajmukhi, understand? Her face is as like the rays of the sun. Good. Then what happened? Huh? Jalamukhi. Jalamukhi means face is as like volcano coming. Huh? But this is true. When your volcano coming, this is you will be very happy. Why? Then automatically give up your household life and go to do bhajan and serve. But this is not true. If you have no sukriti, you cannot give up your household life. And if you not receive the mercy of Krishna, then not so easy to give up the attachment of your wife and children. Eh? Not so easy. And অনেক জন্মের সুকৃতি রহে যদি সুকৃতি বিষয় ছাড়িয়া হয় সে বৈরাগ। When thousands of lives they have sukriti, then you will be take renounce order. Eh? Why you maybe take renounce order, maybe go to the Mayavadi, Ang Brahmasmi. They also renounce order, Vairagi. But those who are coming in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are very lucky. For this regard, Shastra is saying in this way. কিবা বিপ্র কিবা নেশি শূদ্রকে নয়, যেই কৃষ্ণ তত্ত্ববেত্তা সেই গুরু হয়। গৃহা বনেতে থাকে হা গৌরাঙ্গ বলে ডাকে, নরোত্তম মাগে তার সঙ্গ। You can do bhajan and sadhan, which is favorable for your bhajan and sadhan. If you see your household life is favorable to bhajan and sadhan, so you can stay with your wife, children, do bhajan and sadhan. Yeah, this is true. As the Ambarish Maharaj, Srivas Thakur, Pandavas, all they were also householder. Understand? And they also perform bhajan and sadhana. Ambarish Maharaj, Ambarish Maharaj, he was staying in his house with his wife and family member. Most of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associates, Parikar, they are householders. Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu, Srivas Thakur, all they are here, householder, but they did bhajan and sadhana. This is very important. But need is what? How will get the association with sadhu sangha. And if you get association with sadhu in your house, so no need to give up the household life. You understand? This is important. If your parents, they are sadhu, and sadhu means is what? Department bhajan and sadhana. We do bhajan and sadhana. I like Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Gopal Bhatta Goswami Mahaprabhu told, Gopal, you stay with your parents. When your parents will be departed from this material world, then you will give up your household life and come to Vrindavan. and stay with Rup Sanatan. Eh? Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Mahaprabhu gave the instruction to Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was staying eh, with his parents. And then when his parents left body, then Gopal Bhatta Goswami came in Vrindavan and do bhajan and sadhana. So that means here was saying in this way. eh, he- Ashram is not the prominent. Prominent is how much you detach from the material sense gratification and how much you nistha to perform bhajan and sadhana. eh. This is very important. eh. Understand this? So for this regard, Mahaprabhu told Markad Vairagya karo, na dekha log dekhaiye. यथायोग्य विषय भंज अनासक्त है अंतर निष्ठा करो बाह्य लोग व्यवहार अचिराति कृष्ण तुम्हाय करिबेन उद्धार do bhajan and sadhan that's it. जन्मदाता जन्मदाता पिता नारी प्रारब्ध खंडाइते because when one who takes birth from the womb of his mother, that time his own karma with him. And your karma with him or not? Eh? Understand? The karma is going always with you. And in previous life, what you did, good karma or bad karma, that the fruit of karma fall, always with you. Eh? Understand this? So in the same way, here also explain this. And but if you do bhajan and sadhan, then all your bad and good karma will destroy. Tibra bhakti yoga, no? Tibra bhakti yoga. Tibra bhakti yoga means to practice devotional service to Lord and with Dhrida Vishwas and unflinching faith. This is very important. So the Tibrena Bhakti Yoga, no, then all your karma will destroy. These things. And so here also explain Raghunath Das Goswami again and again. He left his house, but his parents again returned back to him. And then he entered his household life, married one young girl, the but Raghunath Das Goswami day and night he thinking, how will I meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? And then and one he came in in the place of Panihati. And that time Nityananda Prabhu came there. And then when Nityananda Prabhu met with him, then Raghunath Das Goswami completely surrendered lotus feet of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. And Lord Nityananda Prabhu and gave mercy to him. And Lord Nityananda Prabhu also footstep on his head. You understand? What do you understand? Lord Chaitanya, Lord Nityananda Prabhu, just he also stepped his feet on his head. Hello. Then Raghunath Das very pleased. And Chaitanya, Nityananda Prabhu also heavy chastisement to him. Nityananda Prabhu told, you are thief. Thief means, and without asking me, you want to steal my property. Because who is the property of Lord Nityananda Prabhu? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So without the permission of Nityananda Prabhu, no one can attain to Sajanandana Gaur Hari. For this regard, Nityananda Prabhu indirectly told to him, Raghunath, you are great thief. So for the use this Bengali word, you are thief, meaning you are chora. Eh? Nityananda Prabhu's Hidayadhan, Hidayadhan understand, the jewels of the heart, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Eh? Nityananda Prabhu always and holds Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his heart. So Nityananda is Gaur Sundar is called Nityananda Prabhu's heart. So for this regard, Nityananda Prabhu he told, without my permission, you want to steal my property. So I have to give punishment to you. Here another things also explain Nityananda Prabhu in this Leela explain Nityananda Prabhu is called Guru Tattva. Akhanda Guru Tattva, undivided Guru Tattva. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu or Baladev Prabhu, no one can attain to Lord. Krishna Prema. Vinu Guru Bhavana Taruna Koi Jo Virinchi Sankara Samo. One who has knowledge as like Brahma or Shiva. But if you have not take, if he would not take shelter, lotus feet of Guru, how will attain to Lord? So in this way, Nityananda Prabhu, he told, and again, you also went out from your house and tried to meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But you neglect me. So how possible? নিতাইয়ের করুণা হবে ব্রজে রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাবে ধর নিতাই চরণ দুখানি Natam Das Thakur Prem Bhakti Chandrika very clearly, very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Then you receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, and by the causeless mercy of Nityananda Prabhu attain the divine love of Radha and Krishna. So নিতাইয়ের করুণা হবে ব্রজে রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাবে ধর নিতাইয়ের চরণ দুখানি. ধর নিতাই চরণ, very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. This is very important. Nityananda Prabhu, Gaur Nityananda. If you want to receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Or when you receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then automatically attain to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaura Kripa. Or when you attain to Gaura Kripa, the mercy of Sachidananda Gaurari, and automatically will attain the mercy of Srimati Radhika Radha Kripa. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde Binded Bhuvat Krita Punna Punja Tatha Tatha Sarpe Hridi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhambhurasi. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Bindu. And one who completely, absolutely surrendered to such a Sachinandana Gaur Hari, Sachinandana Gaur Hari, then automatically will attain Radha Prema. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Bindi, Bindi Bhuvad Kitapunna Punja, Tatha Tatha Sarpet, Radha Padambujo, Sudhambhurashi. Because without this mercy of Sachinandana Gaur Hari, Gaura Kripa, no one can attain the mercy of divine couple of Radha and Krishna. Aradhito navanam vrindavana vite, naradhito navanam vrindavane vadure, aradhito dijasuta vrajanagaraste, naradhito dijasuta nataviha Krishna. Aradhito navavanam, one who worships Navadvip Dham and Navadvip Chandra Krishna, Navadvip Chandra Gaura Sundar. Then he will be attained to Vrindavan Dham and Vrindavan Chandra Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. This is the purport of this verse. Aradhito Navanam Vrindavan Visti. Naradhito Navanam Vrindavan Evadure. Aradhito Dujasuta Vrajanagaraste. Naradhito Dujasuta Natavya Krishna. So that means in this verse clearly explained, everybody first takes shelter lotus feet of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Gaura Kripa. And always remember to the mercy of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. And Monre Kahana Gaura Katha, O mind, always you glorify about Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Monre Kahana Gaura Katha. Gaurer Naam Amiyara Dham. And always remember to Gaura Naam, Gaura Dham, Gaura Katha. Especially in this Kali Yuga, who will give Krishna Prem? Only Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Mahaprabhu promised. Mahaprabhu promised. And in this Kali Yuga, only I will give Krishna Prem. Ama bina braja prem nahi anya dite. No one can give braja prem except me. So in this Kali Yuga, everybody have to first shelter, let us feet of Sachinandan Gaura Hari. This way. And so in this way, Nityananda Prabhu, and loving chastisement, that is called prema and chastisement. And so told, you are thief because you want to steal my property without my permission. So I have to give punishment. Understand this? Then Raghunath Das Goswami, very humble, he told, hey Nityananda Prabhu, and how can I serve to you? Then Nityananda Prabhu, he told, he also served all the Vaishnavas in Panihati. And then Raghunath Das Goswami thinking, my parents, they are called Vaishnav Pray. One is called Vaishnav Pray, another is called Vishay Pray. You understand? Vishay Pray means is what? Detached from the material things. Or Vaishnav Pray look like Vaishnavas. Look like Vaishnavas, but completely attached with material things. Understand this? They are called Vaishnava Pray. But you have to become what things? Vishay Pray. These things. So Raghunath Das Goswami thinking, my parents, they are very, what is it called? Conjus. Conjus means miser. They don't want to spend a lot of money for Vaishnava Seva. Because my parents, they have a lot of money. This is true. So for this Raghunath Das Goswami is thinking, and I asked my parents, then my parents, they will be sent money. And in this money, I sent, hey, I serve to Vaishnava. Vaishnava Seva. Money should be proper way, serve Guru and Vaishnava. Many people, they also misuse the money. Or money should be proper way, serve Guru and Vaishnava. So Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, he also collect the money from his parents. Then he celebrated very nice, beautiful Mahotsav celebration. That is called Chida Mahotsav. Chida Mahotsav means and prepare very nice, beautiful, what is called fried rice, fried rice. Chida. Pop rice, that is called muli. Flat rice. You have eaten or not? And he collect lot of flat rice and milk, yogurt, banana, sugar, different also, and ingredients. And then he also prepare with these things that get Danda Mahotsav, Chida Mahotsav. And Utsav means very nice, beautiful festival. This thing. And then offer to Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu will prepare 3 plates. And one for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, another for Advaita Acharya, and another for himself. Understand? He put in this. And do Nam Sankirtan. Then Nityananda Prabhu and other those who are great devotees, they saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also appeared. Advaita Acharya is there. The Nam Sankirtan. Though that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri. But when Nityananda started to dance, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in there. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he promised always he will be stay in 5 places. What is that? Sachira Mandiri. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, before took sannyas, he promised, always I will stay with my mother, Sachidevi. Sachira Mandiri. Mayapur, Sachira Mandiri. Second, Srivas Angane. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Srivas, always I will stay in your house. Or Nityananda Nartane. When Nityananda Prabhu will dance, I will appear in there. Advaita Ahane. When Advaita Acharya called to me. Krishna, he descended from Guru Vrindavan. Only the calling of Advaita Acharya. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his name, the Acharya name, Nara. Nara means who made me to sick. Mahaprabhu told, Sutiya Chinumami Khir Samudri Tare, more Nidra Bhangilo, Nara Hunkare. And when Advaita Acharya loudly and called out, at that time Lord cannot sleep, Lord automatically what? Descended from Golok Vrindavan to Navadvip Dham. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to all the devotees, Sutiya Chilu Ami Khir Samudra Tire, more Nidra Bhangilo, Nara Hunkare. Here Nara means Advaita Acharya. And this thing. So Advaita Acharya. Why not this? Or how many? 4. Fifth in the house of Raghav Pandit. Raghav Pandit. Because in Panihati, Damayanti and Raghav Pandit. They have so much love and affection to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you cannot say that way. Direct. He's saying is right. He's saying this way. Invisible, he is saying there. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised, always I will be stay in there. And Lord is one, he manifested in all forms, Ananta form. So there are no doubts. So now coming in this way, Raghunath Das Goswami, he prepared very nice, beautiful, this Danda Mahotsav, Cheda Utsav. And then all the Brahmanas, they also came. When they heard the Raghunath Das Goswami, he prepared very nice, beautiful festival, Utsav. Thousand people they also. Even what will say, even all the demigods, they manifested in the form of human being. They also appear. Why? Because not in Nityananda Prabhu is there. Nityananda's Mahaprasad. Mahaprasadi, Govindi, Nama, Brahmani, Vaishnavi, Salvapunna, Vatang Raj. So try to understand this way. So everybody eager today. And then they distribute this prasad. First prasad they offer to 3 persons. Advaita Acharya, Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. And then after offering this, the Nam Sankirtan is going on this way. And then everybody will come in. And banana will coming, yogurt coming, milk coming, sugar, and everything. Even and all the prasad is finished. Then Raghunath Das Goswami again he also was collect uh, the flat rice, yogurt, milk, and banana, sugar, everything, and feed to everybody. And so here also explain and how Raghunath Das Goswami he also served to Nityananda Prabhu and Vaishnava Seva. Prabhu के वैष्णव सेवन नाम संकीर्तन दुई करो शीघ्र पावे गोविंद चरण. In this way, Raghunath Das Goswami he served to Vaishnava and served to Nityananda Prabhu. Then later, and he also left his house and he was running towards Jagannath Puri. Here also explain, if you go to Jagannath Puri on foot, need 40 days. But Raghunath Das Goswami, only he attend to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Bengal to Jagannath Puri only 12 days. Now in these 12 days, only he 2 or 3 days, he took some fruits, water, something this. Because Raghunath Das Goswami, he was running in the path of the jungle. In this way, and because he has so much eagerness and how to attend to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And so in this way, without this mercy of Sachinandana Gaudhari, and how possible these types of inspiration coming in our heart. Gaura Kripa and Gaur Nityananda Kripa. So all you are very lucky because you have come here. And this is the mercy of Gaur Nityananda. Without this mercy of Gaur Nityananda, how possible to do bhajan and sadhana? And in this material world, people they are crying for material things. Crying for what things? Material things. Dhanang they give me wealth, money, give my wife, give me children. But they don't know everything is yours. Uncomfortable and giving the distress, unhappiness. Wealth is called the perpetual source of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. Who is happy in this material world? Who is happy? No one happy in this material world. Who has no son, is thinking if I get one son, I will be happy. Or when son is coming, then son is as like Dundukari. You listen this katha, Gokarna Dundukari katha, the Atmadev Brahmana katha. Atmadeva Brahmana. And he has lot of wealth of money, but he was not happy because he had no sons and daughters. But when son coming, then he realized, oh, why did he ask? Many people also, if they have no sons, they also adapted to others. Understand what is called that? Dattak. क्या बोले? Adoption. Taken. But what is it doing? Why not to absorb with Krishna? If you have no sons and daughters, you always think Krishna is my son. Understand? Sometimes you also told the story of Barsana, that Sethji Katha. And if you have no daughter, you will think Srimati Radhika is my daughter. Understand? This is very sweet also. Why you adopted other sons and daughters with affection? Understand? The Krishna will be happy. If you have no sons and daughters, you will be happy. All you think Krishna is my son. Krishna not only the son of Mother Yashoda. And Srimati Radhika, she is not only the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaja Kritika Devi. So you have to try to become as like Brajavasi, Brajmud. Understand? If you come, then no problem what to do. Eh? If your son and daughter is coming, no problem. I'm not saying these things. But if your sons and daughter coming, why to get adopted and the why would you upset? Eh? Always would be happy. Eh? These things. And so do bhajan and sadhan. And Danda Mahotsav means is what these things. And how to get this mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, Nitai Karuna. Eh? Do bhajan and sadhan. So always emphasis and how to develop your sadhan and bhajan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Eh? This is very important. And only thing, everything belongs to Krishna. And this is not your wife. Which wife? Krishna. This is not your son. The son belongs to Krishna. This is not your daughter. Belongs to Krishna. This is the best. And only thing, I am the servant of Krishna. Krishna Das. जीव कृष्णदास এই বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর when your faith will come, I am the servant of Krishna, then you will free from Maya. This is very important. Understand? Yeah. Gaur Premanandi Hari Jai Jai Sri Radha. Vaishnav Sevan and Nam Sankirtan Dui Karo Sigra Bhave Govinda Charan. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari.